Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to Trade Track. Today I'm analyzing the Bitcoin market. As you can see, BTC right now is moving at 31,787, and you can see in the chart I have drawn a rectangle that is showing the support and resistance level. Then the support of the rectangle is at 28,740 and the resistance is at 40,000, near about 41,000. Okay, the market has respected this rectangle in past. As you can see, in past at January 21, market was at 41k and it dropped till 28,000, and it moved back from this 28,000 resistance till 60,000. So I am expecting that market will not drop down from this 28,000 resistance, and it will retest this resistance and it will go up after testing this resistance till 47,000. Okay, if it crosses the resistance of 47,000, then we can see the prices at 60,000. But if it goes down from the support of 28,000, then we can see the prices of Bitcoin at 22 or 24,000. So this is the analysis for the Bitcoin. Good luck for your trades. Allah Hafiz.